Explain solar cell, a device converting sunlight into electrical energy through photovoltaic effect. It is made from a semiconductor material silicon, where sunlight excites electrons, generating a current. It is used in solar panel to produce renewable energy. Next, the क्वेश्चन है डिफाइन द वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ मेटल. डिफाइन द वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ मेटल, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट द इमिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द मेटल्स सरफेस इज नोन एज द वर्क फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज पेलेटियर इफेक्ट. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा द पेलेटियर इफेक्ट इज द फेनोमेनन वेयर एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट passing through junction of two dissimilar metals caused a temperature difference between the junction. Heat is observed at one junction and another released. Next, what is stopping potential? It is इसका आंसर हो जाएगा it is defined as the potential required to stop ejection of electron from the metal surface when incident beam of energy is greater than the work potential of metal is directed on it. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज डी ब्रॉगली वेव. राइट एन एक्सप्रेशन. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा द वेव which is associated with matter are called de Broglie wave. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट इज बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा द नंबर सिस्टम यूजिंग ओनली वन डिजिट 0 and 1. It is the basic of computer programming and digital electronics where information is represented as the binary code and calculations are formed using bitwise operations. Next question है what is semiconductor. Is a material that electrical conductivity between that a conductor and an insulator. It is conductivity can controlled by doping or internal factors making it useful for electronic devices. जैसे में एनोड हो गया, ट्रांसफार्मर हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्लेन एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ए सेमीकंडक्टर डोप्ड विथ डोनर इम्प्योरिटीज विथ प्रोवाइड एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. these electrons are free to move increases the semiconductor conductivity and the material becomes negative charged in the sense that it has more free electrons than hole. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ए पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर इज द सेमीकंडक्टर क्रिएटेड बाय डोपिंग ऑफ इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर विथ एन acceptor impurities. Next question, what is doping? Doping is act of assuming artificial and often illegal substance to gain an advantage over other in sporting competition. I think this question is forward bias. The current follow in forward direction due to the voltage applied in forward direction. Next question, what is reverse biased? When the voltage is applied to semiconductor diode in the way that opposes the natural flow of current. Next question, what happens when a forward bias is applied to a PN junction? इसका आंसर है when a forward bias is applied to a PN junction, the potential barrier decreases, allowing current to flow more easily. Next question है डिफरेंस बिटवीन पी टाइप एंड एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा पी टाइप में हो जाएगा डॉप्ड विथ एक्सेप्टर इम्प्योरिटीज. एन टाइप में हो जाएगा डॉप्ड विथ डोनर इम्प्योरिटीज. एन टाइप में हो जाएगा एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन. इसमें हो जाएगा पी टाइप में एक्सेस होल्स. एन टाइप में मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड हेयर इज अ. पी टाइप में हो जाएगा मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स आर होल्स. इधर हो जाएगा एन टाइप में माइनॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स आर होल्स एंड इधर पी टाइप में माइनॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्फा रे. अल्फा रे आर द हाई एनर्जी हीलियम न्यूक्लियाई दैट इंटरेक्ट्स स्ट्रांगली विथ मैटर consuming a significant ionization but traveling only a short distance from being absorbed. Next question है what do you mean by Paschen series? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ए सीरीज दैट स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन्स इन Farad region of the hydrogen atom emission spectrum. These lines are corresponding to transition from higher energy level to n = 3 energy level. where n is equal to principal quantum number. Next question is write the properties of beta ray. Beta particles have a mass which is half of 1,000 of the mass of a proton and carry either a single negative electrons and positive charge. Next question है write what do you mean by the Bohr's stable orbit. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा बोर्स स्टेबल ऑर्बिट आर द फिक्स्ड पाथ अराउंड एन एटम न्यूक्लियाई वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन can move without losing energy. These orbits are known as a stationary orbit or energy level. Next question is describe the shortcoming of a Bohr's model of an atom. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा Bohr's model can explain the G-man effect of Stark effect, G-man effect and Stark effect. It cannot explain the intensity of a spectral line. This model disagrees with the later discoveries that showed an electron could be a wave and particle. It is unable to explain the 3D model of an atom. Next question: what is the binding energy of a nucleus? इसका आंसर है the binding energy of nucleus is the almost of energy required to separate the nucleus into its constituent particles and neutrons. Next question है explain the emission of gamma rays. Gamma rays are emitted when the nucleus of the atom decay from the high energy state to lower energy state. This process is called emission of gamma ray. What is the difference between nuclear fusion and nuclear fusion? तो फर्स्ट है nuclear fusion का हो जाएगा the process where the nucleus of an atom split into two or more smaller nucleus and other particles. इसका एग्जांपल है यूरेनियम 295 और 92 प्लस एक न्यूट्रॉन गोज टू बेरियम 56 144 प्लस क्रिप्टॉन 36 1889. नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन, the process by which two light atomic nuclei combines to form a single heavier nuclei while releasing a massive amount of energy. जैसे hydrogen plus hydrogen goes to helium plus energy. This reactions happens in a sun. Next question है write the properties of X-ray. X-ray protons are highly energetic and have enough energy to break up molecule and hence damage living cells. Next question है explain Rutherford alpha ray emission. In the experiment of Rutherford bombarded a thin sheet of gold foil with high energy stream of fast moving alpha particle from the emitter. He expected the alpha ray would be reflected by a small angle only as the alpha particle were much heavier the protons of a gold atom, but it gives unexpected results. Thank you.